Myself Raj, welcome to Raj Online Trainings. In the series of Java Programming Complete Placement course, in this video we are going to start off with the next topic, that is Java Basics. In the previous videos, we have seen about Java introduction, Java features, and how to download Java, how to develop Java application at command prompt, how to make use of Visual Studio Code with Java extension to develop Java applications. That completes the introduction part of Java. In this video, let us start off with Java Basics. In this Java Basics, we are going to discuss about the basic terminology of Java, like the meaning of comments, keywords, variables, data types, typecasting, JShell tool, operators. So these are the concepts we are going to discuss under this Java Basics. In this video, let us start off with the first one, comments. Now, so what are these comments are like? When you are writing a program, we should elaborate about our program in our own words. Like what is the purpose of the program, who is writing the program, on which date we are writing, more elaboration of your program, so that even yourself or someone sees our program, they should be able to understand our program easily. That we do by using comments, and this we call documentation. The main use of going with comments are like, comments are used to document a program and ignored by the compiler. So whatever the comments we are writing, these comments are not seen by the compiler. Compiler will not see what you are writing inside the comments. We can write in our own words. And we are in the types of comments in Java, like we are in three types of comments. Single line comments, which is // multi-line comments, which is /* and end with again //, and we are having one more, document comments, where we start with / double asterisk * and end with again // *//. Now let us understand these comments in detail. First one, single line comments. What is the main use of single line comment? Single line comments are used to comment a single line in your program. So whenever you want to go with a single line comment, we make use of this / symbol. Like example, / to find area of a rectangle. One more example, / to add a book into the library. One more example, / to find the discount of purchased items. So whenever you want to comment a single line, we make use of // and whatever we write in the comments, that is ignored by the compiler. That is programming language. Now, the next type of comments are multi-line comments. So when you want to comment multiple lines in your program, then we go for this multi-line comments. So here, multi-line comments are used to comment multiple lines in the program. Like examples, /* to find gross salary and net salary of an employee. Again we have to end with //. One more example, /*, this method is used to withdraw the amount from the bank, and end with again // like this. So when you want to comment multiple lines, we use what symbol? /* and end with again //. And the next important type of comment is, this is very important one, that is documentation comment. Document comment also you can say. What is the use of this documentation comment is, documentation comments in Java, also known as JavaDoc, even we call it as JavaDoc comments, are a special type of multi-line comment. These are also multi-line comment used to generate API documentation in HTML format. So it's going to create a web page for us in the form of it by using HTML, and more elaboration of your code we do by using this API documentation. It's looked like a web page to us. It's a web page generation. Like what is the purpose of your class, the class extends which another class, the more elaboration about your methods, variables, all those things we can elaborate in the form of web page by using this documentation comment. And how we generate? Using the JavaDoc tool. By using a command JavaDoc, we are going to generate the documentation comments. Like example, you can say how to go with documentation comments slash 2 star symbols, and you can make use of like @author, and the author name is something like example Raj, and more elaboration like this program is used to find the addition of two numbers. Now let me elaborate about this documentation comment with the example. Let us go with an example code over here. Like let me say a file notepad in our folder Java programs. I'm creating a file add two numbers .java. A simple example. Don't worry about the coding part in this. So we are creating a new Java file add two numbers.java. Now click yes here. Start writing the code. Like you can say // to find addition of two numbers. This we call single line comment. Now you can go with /* author. Who is the author of this program? You can go with some author. Now create a public class. Public class will say add two numbers. This is the our class name. Then open and close curly braces. Then we'll say again /2 stars. This is again document comment. Here we'll say more elaboration of your code, like this program is used to find addition of two numbers. So this is also called document comment. So here we are providing author details. Here we are providing more details about your class program, everything. Then to run a Java program, what we require inside the class? Main method. So how the main method looks? Public static void main string array args. Then open and close curly braces, and here we take two numbers like int number 1 equal to 10, int number 2 equal to some 20. Now find the sum. Int sum equal to number 1 plus number 2. Some code here. We are not worried about the coding part inside. We are worried about documentation comments here. Now display the value of sum. System.out.println the value of sum here. So here the major thing what we need to understand about this documentation comment, this one. Now how to generate the API documentation for this program. Now let me save this. To generate the API documentation for this program, what we need to do is we need to make use of a command. Come back to command prompt, make use of the command javadoc. For which file you want to generate documentation now? Add two numbers. Add two numbers.java. Once we use this command javadoc add two numbers.java, it's going to generate the documentation for us. And see, coming to our folder. So we are working in this folder Java programs YouTube, and here you can see one file index.html file. It's a HTML file. See, now when we open this file, double click on this file, then see it's going to generate the documentation. See HTML file. See here what is the class name? Add two numbers. If you click here add two numbers, then you can see the document. See public class add two numbers extends object. In Java any class you take, it is a subclass of object class. See here it's providing the constructor summary. More about constructor everything we discuss once we come to object oriented, and see the method what it is holding, main method. And more about the method, see this program is used to find addition of two numbers, right? So these details you can find. So it looks like HTML documents here. So what constructor details, method details, all those things you can find over here. So this file is generated by using javadoc. Like it is mainly for generating APIs. See here, it's for what purpose here? To generate API documentation. So whenever we see /*, now remember it as documentation comment, right? So that's about in this video on comments. Please practice this. Thank you. Please subscribe, like and share.